250 XRP purchased today will ensure your old age. XRP to $55,000. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, which will eventually win in the ongoing lawsuit against Ripple, will have very little impact on the company's business dealing with payments through blockchain. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Ripple Chief Executive Brad Garlinghouse said Tuesday that the company is operating as if it has already lost the case with the commission. In an interview with Bloomberg on April 26, Brad Garlinghouse publicly commented on his firm's ongoing litigation with the SEC. Ripple has been in litigation with the SEC since December 2020. The crux of the matter is whether Ripple sold XRP to investors as an unregistered security, and the answer to this question requires establishing whether XRP is a security. Garlinghouse stated that the opinion that the XRP token is an unlicensed security is erroneous. Quote, "It is noteworthy that the liquidity of XRP in the United States dried up after many cryptocurrency exchanges were forced to download it from their platforms." Nevertheless, the head of Ripple noted that the company's exceptional growth is taking place outside the United States. In particular, 95% of Ripple's customers are payment providers outside the United States. Garlinghouse then reported that Ripple was hiring more people outside the U.S. Ripple enthusiasts remain concerned that XRP could become a security. Garlinghouse further stated that the Securities and Exchange Commission had been seeking delays all the time, thereby delaying justice. He notes that despite the fact that the agency has repeatedly stated that it is all about transparency, in recent months it has been less than ready with some of its notes. The delay of justice is a denial of justice. Unfortunately, justice is being delayed here due to the SEC's ongoing efforts to advance the case. Quote, Garlinghouse also noted that not only the fate of XRP is at stake, but also the future of the entire U.S. crypto industry. The Securities and Exchange Commission has proven that it is not concerned about the numerous American investors it damages or the number of independent companies it leads abroad, as it seeks to expand the new Howey test and its credibility in general beyond common sense. Then the head of Ripple repeated that the SEC should develop a clear regulatory framework for digital assets instead of applying its regulation by enforcement. Meanwhile, Ripple and the SEC continue to argue over procedural issues, including the fintech firm's demand that the securities regulator publish emails related to the infamous speech about Ethereum delivered by William Hinman in 2018. Ripple's general counsel recently predicted that the trial is likely to last until 2023. Fintech giant Ripple has carried out a major update of its corporate website, improving the design and shifting the focus from some areas on which it focused earlier. Several members of the XRP community shared their observations on Twitter, including researcher Leonidas Hadjiloizou, who often follows news related to Ripple and XRP and shares them on his Twitter page. He called the redesign of the website an extreme transformation. Quote, "The Ripple website has just undergone radical changes." He pointed out several major changes that have occurred on the Ripple website. Now on a par with cross-border payments, the site focuses on creating a CBDC and using the Liquidity Hub. The site offers a detailed description of the registry registration and CBDC release based on the carbon-neutral XRP registry. The changes also affected the client section of the Ripple website. If it used to offer general information about the number of Ripple customer enterprises, more than 300 of them, now they focus on case studies of individual companies using Ripple technology. The new version of the site also contains a page dedicated to Ripple Liquidity Hub, a service whose upcoming launch was announced in early November. This service is intended for businesses that want to buy, sell or store cryptocurrencies, not only XRP, but also other large coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and some others. Liquidity Hub will provide businesses with access to cryptocurrency exchanges, market makers and over-the-counter services, as well as allow them to conduct operations without the need for pre-financing, lengthy integration and other obstacles. There is a Queue Up button on the page, so presumably the service has not been launched yet. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, Brad Garlinghouse said that his company is already working as if it lost the fight with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. According to the executive, Ripple's record growth is happening outside the U.S., and it is hiring more and more people outside the U.S. According to Garlinghouse, the idea that XRP is an unregistered security is erroneous. However, the token has no liquidity in the U.S. after all exchanges suspended trading in early 2021. According to Brad Garlinghouse, 99% of Ripple's customers are payment companies outside the United States. Attorney John Deaton, a lawyer representing more than 65,000 XRP holders, told Link2, a private equity firm, in an interview why he decided to support the crypto project. According to Deaton's lawyer, Ripple turned out to be one of the most transparent existing cryptocurrency projects without any shady transactions. According to Deaton's lawyer, despite the fact that the Securities and Exchange Commission has been investigating the case against Ripple for more than 2 years, the authorities have so far failed to detect any fraudulent activities related to the project. For 30 months, the SEC, have been looking at these guys, Ripple and the individual defendants, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. They studied them, Deaton's lawyer said, adding, they even checked every transaction made by Garlinghouse and Larson and every transaction made by Ripple between 2013 and 2020. 2.5 years later, they have not filed a single claim of fraud or misrepresentation on the part of Ripple. Quote, Deaton, who spoke out on a number of issues related to the SEC lawsuit, noted that he does not think that any other cryptocurrency project can come out flawless if the securities agency conducts an intensive investigation, as was the case with Ripple. Despite this, the SEC is not going to drop its accusation against Ripple and its executives for conducting an unregistered securities offering, as a result of which the company raised $1.3 billion. While the SEC is adamant that Xrp Ripple is a security, the blockchain company thinks otherwise and is ready to prove this fact in court. After recent events, an order was issued last week on a joint schedule, according to which the trial can be extended until next year. Interestingly, the development did not prevent XRP investors from supporting Ripple. They believe that the lawsuit will end in favor of the blockchain company, and the value of the digital currency will increase dramatically. The price of XRP rose by almost 6.25% in the first 2 days of May, reaching $0.63. Binance data. Buying sentiment rose by about $0.58, a level that served as strong support in January 2022 and allowed XRP to grow by more than 50 after that. The live XRP price today is $0.88 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000 United States dollars. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.